Hello, Pepe Laugh here. In today's video, I'm tackling a common issue many of you might face with OBS Studio, especially after an update. I recently updated OBS and ran into a snag myself. The error message I encountered was, fail to open NV Codec, function not implemented. Recheck your video drivers are up to date. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, I've got a straightforward solution for you. First things first, let's dive into your taskbar. Look for the Show Hidden Icons arrow. Clicking on it reveals various icons, including the NVIDIA settings. That's our target. Right-click on it, and you'll see a couple of options: NVIDIA Control Panel and NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Go ahead and select NVIDIA GeForce Experience. It looks something like this. Once you're in, head straight to the Drivers section. Here's where we check for any available updates. If your drivers are outdated, simply click Check for Updates and follow through with the installation. This step is crucial for ensuring everything runs smoothly. Done updating? Great. Now, give your PC a quick reboot. Once it's back on, fire up OBS Studio. You should now be able to use it without any hiccups, just like before the update. And there you have it, a simple yet effective fix to a common OBS problem. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. I'm here to make your tech life easier. Thank you, and see you in the next one.